Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we will discuss how to solve quadratic equation by factorization, and all the sums belongs to ML Aggarwal book, and this is exercise number 5.2. So let us discuss question number 1. So ax square x square, we can write ax whole square plus 2ax plus 1 equals to 0. So we can treat ax square as a one variable. So let ax equals to p. So it becomes p square plus 2p plus 1 equals to 0. So now we have to adjust middle term. So middle term is 2p and coefficient of p is plus 2. Then coefficient of p square is 1 here and constant term is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So if I add 1 plus 1, we get 2. Basically, what we have to do, we have to find out the product of constant term and product of coefficient of p square. And then by this product, we have to adjust the middle term. So p square equals to 2, we can write 1 plus 1 whole to the whole p equals to 0. So p square, and this is 1p and 1p plus 1 equals to 0. And if I take common from these two terms, so this is p will be common and there is p square, so 1p will be there and p plus 1. Here 1 is common, p plus 1 equals to 0. So this one, so p plus 1 common and p plus 1 equals to 0. So put in the place of p ax. So ax plus 1 and ax plus 1 equals to 0. So then individually we have to put 0 to solve the quadratic equation. So ax plus 1 equals to 0. So ax equals to minus 1 or x equals to what? Minus 1 by a. And here also ax plus 1 equals to 0. So ax equals to minus 1 and x equals to what? Minus 1 by a. So there is 2 root minus 1 by a and minus 1 by a. Now question number 2. So here the coefficient of x square is a square and coefficient of and the constant term is b square. So a square into b square we got a square b square, and by this product we have to adjust the middle term coefficient. So if I add a square and b square, we got this portion. So write down a square into x square plus, we can write this one, a square plus b square into x plus b square equal to 0. So now a square x square, x will be multiplied x into a square x and b square x plus b square equal to 0. To take common from these two terms, so here we can take x square x. So this is x plus 1 and from these two terms we get b square. So here remain x and here 1 equals to 0. So now x plus 1 into a square x plus b square. We got two factors. Now we have to solve this. X equals to minus 1 and here a square x plus b square equals to 0. So a square x equals to minus b square and x equals to minus b square by a square. So value of x is minus 1 and minus b square a square. These are the roots of the x equation, and this is the solution of x quadratic equation. Now question number 3. So here coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is p and q, and the product will be what? P and q, and if we adjust p plus q. So if I add this product p and q, we get this one. So write down this one, p and p plus q into x. So pq equals to 0. So now x square minus multiply x into p, px, and q into x plus and minus become minus, q into x, qx, plus pq equals to 0. So now take common from these two terms. So it x, you can take x from these two terms and remaining x and p. And from these two terms we get q. That's why here remain x and minus p equals to 0. And from these two terms we get x minus p into x minus q equals to 0. So now we have to solve the quadratic equation so that each factor equals to 0. So x minus p equals to 0. So x equals to what? P, and x minus q equal to 0. So x equals to q. So the value of x is p comma q. This is the solution of the quadratic equation. Let us discuss question number 4. So here the coefficient of x square is root 3 and coefficient of and constant term is 7 root 3. So this product will be what? 7 root 3 and root 3 becomes 3. So means this is 21. And we have to adjust what? 10. So 21 we can write 7 into 3 and 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Okay. So now we will write 3x square plus 10 in the place of 10 we will write 7 plus 3 into x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Am I understand? So 10, how can I get 7 plus 3? Because here the product of root 3 and 7 root 3 is 7 and root 3 and root 3 becomes 3. And 7 plus 3 will be 10. We have to adjust this middle term by their product. Coefficient of x square and constant term. Product of coefficient of x square and constant term. Here. So now root 3x square plus multiply x into 7, 7x and 3 into x, 3x plus 7 root 3 equals to 0. So now you have to take common from these two terms. So here x is common, nothing is common there. So root 3x plus 7, and from these two terms I take root 3 from each term. So if I take root 3 from this term, it becomes root 3 because root 3 and root 3 becomes 3. Clear? So and x is there and root 3 is taken. So 7 is remaining here equals to 0. So now from these two terms we get root 3 this portion and this portion. So root 3x plus 7 into x plus, so remaining here x and plus root 3. So x plus root 3 equals to 0. Now you have to solve the equation, means we have to find the value of x. So root 3 plus x plus 7 equals to 0 and value of x equals to 1 minus 7 by root 3. Plus 7 becomes here minus 7 and root 3 is multiplied with x and this should be divided in the right hand side. And for this case x plus root 3 equals to 0 and x equals to what? Minus root 3. So value of x is what? One is minus 7 by root 3 and another is minus root 3. Let us discuss question number 5. So x square. So now we have to find out. Let us discuss question number 5. So here coefficient of x square is what? 1 and constant of term is root 2. So their product is root 2. So but we have to adjust middle term. So 1 plus root 2. So these are the product. So you can, if I write 1 plus root 2, can I write? Yes. So this is the middle term also. So x square minus 1 plus root 2 into x plus root 2 equals to 0, or x square multiply x into 1x and x into root 2x, root 2x minus root 2x, because plus minus minus and plus minus minus plus root 2 equals to 0. So now we have to take common from these two terms. So here x is common and 1x is remaining and here 1, and from these two terms root 2 is common and x minus 1 equals to 0. And from these two terms we get x minus 1 and here x minus root 2 equals to 0. So now you have to find out the value of x, so that x minus 1 equal to 0 and x equals to what? 1, and x minus root 2 equals to 0, so that x equals to what? Root 2. So value of x is what? 1 and root 2. Let us discuss question number 6. So question number 6, what we have to do? We have to make it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. To make it this sum into this form, we have to simplify this one. So first, we have to do diagonal multiply. So x plus 2 into 3x minus 7 and 2x minus 3 into this one, x plus 3. Numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. So find out the product. X into 3x, 3x square, and x into 7 minus 7x plus 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6x, and plus 2 into minus 7 plus minus minus 2 7 is 40. And in this side, 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 3 plus 6x, minus 3 into plus 6, that is minus 3x, and minus 3 into plus 3 minus 9. Minus plus minus, and 6 is 9. Now we have to simplify. 3x square and minus 7x plus 6x become minus x and minus 14, and in this case 2x square and plus 6x minus 3x become plus 3x and minus 9. Now group like terms group 2x 3x square and 2x square, when this come in this side, minus 2x square and minus x minus 3x minus 14 and minus 9 becomes plus 9 and 0. So 3x square minus 2x square means x square, and minus x minus 3x means minus 4x, minus 14 plus 9 means what? Minus 5 to 0. So now this becomes in this formation x square plus bx plus c. Now we have to middle term, apply middle term factor. So the coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient term is constant term is minus 5. So product of 1 and minus 5 is 1 minus 5, and we have to adjust minus 4. So we can write minus 5 plus 1, it becomes minus 4. So x square, and you can write minus 5x and plus 1x minus 5 equal to 0. So minus 5x and plus 1 becomes minus 4x. Now you have to take common from these two terms. So x will be common and x is remaining here and minus 5. And from these two terms we get 1, x minus 5 is the remaining. So now, x minus 5 is common in the both terms. So x minus 5 and here x plus 1 equals to 0. Now we have to find out the value of x. So x minus 5 equals to 0, it becomes x equals to 5, and here x plus 1 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 1. So value of x are 5 and minus 1. Let us discuss question number 7. So in this case also we have to find out this whole expression into this expression x square plus bx plus c. Okay, so to find out this expression we have to solve, you have to simplify this expression. So take LCM of the denominator. So here the denominator will be what? X plus 3 into x2 minus x. Okay. Now this one multiply with this one means 8 into 2 minus x minus 3 into this one. This one will be multiply x plus 3 equals to 2. Now 8 will be multiplied, 8 2 is 16 and minus 8 into x 8x minus 3x and minus 3 and plus 3 becomes minus 9, and divided by, you should multiply this one also. We should find out the product of this one. X into 2 2x, x into x minus x square, 3 into 2 plus 6 and 3 into minus x, that is minus 3x equals to 2. So now 16 minus 9 means 7, minus 8x minus 3x means minus 11x, divided by, this is minus x square 2x and minus 3x, that is minus x plus 6 equals to 2. So now 7 minus 11 is you have to multiply denominator to this number. So 2 into this one minus x square minus x plus 6. So 7 minus 11x, when you multiply 2 into every term, 2 into x square minus 2x square, 2 into x minus 2x, 2 into 6, 12. So now uh, we have to group the like terms, minus 2x square and minus 2x. So minus 11x, when it comes this side, it becomes plus 11x, and plus 12 when we take 7 this side, so minus 7 equal to 0. So it becomes minus 2x square minus 2x plus 11, that is plus 9x, and here equal to 0. So minus sign is multiplied to the all the terms. So it becomes 2x square minus 9x minus 5 equals to 0. Now you have to find the factor of this quadratic equation. So here the coefficient of x square is 2 and minus 5 is there. Minus 5. So it becomes minus 10, and the middle term is minus 9. So can write minus 10 and plus 1, it becomes minus 9. So here I am doing the remaining portion of the maths. So 2x square and minus 9x can be written as minus 10x plus x minus 5 equals to 0. Minus 10x plus x becomes minus 9x. So take common. 2x is the common, so x minus 5 is there, and in this case 1 is common and x minus 5 equals to 0. So this is x minus 5 is common and 2x plus 1 equals to 0, and we got two factors, and the value of x is 1 is 5 and another is 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So this becomes 2x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 1 by 2. So value of x are 5 and minus 1 by 2. I hope you are understanding this math. Let us discuss next maths question number 8. So first x minus 1 by x. So take LCM in that case. X minus 1 by x and x LCM will be what? X into x minus 1. So and x will be multiplied here and x minus 1 will be multiplied in this case. So x square will get, and in this case x minus 1 into x minus 1 becomes x minus 1 whole square. And we have to this is mixed fraction, convert into integral fraction. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Now so x square, and we apply the formula a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means x, b square means 1 square minus 2ab. B means 1 here, so we will take 2x divided by x into x square, x into 1 minus x, product of this one, and 5 by 2. Now x square means 2x square and minus 2x plus 1 square means 1 by x square minus x by 5 by equals to 5 by 2. So now cross multiply 2 into this one and this one into this. So 2 direct multiply 2 into 2 4x square, 2 into 2 minus 4x, 2 into 1 plus 2 equals to 5 into x square, 5x square, 5 into x minus 5x. So next like term grouping into like terms. So 4x square come this side 5x square and minus 4x minus 5 becomes plus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So it becomes 4x square minus 5x square means minus x square, and this becomes plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So now negative minus n is multiplied in each term, so that it becomes plus x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to find factor of this expression. So coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is what? Minus 2. So product is minus 2, but we have to adjust minus 1 because there is 1. So minus 1, so you can write minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 becomes what? Minus 1. So now x square and minus 1x can be written as minus 2x plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So take common from these two terms. So we'll get x as common, and here x minus 2 is remaining, and here 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So now we got x minus 2 and another x and plus 1. So x plus 1 equals to 0. So now we got two factor of this quadratic equation. I have to find out value of x. So x minus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to 2 and x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equals to what? Minus 1. So value of x is what? 2 and minus 1. This is the solution of this quadratic equation. Let us discuss question number 9. So first take LCM of these two denominator. So x minus 1 into x plus 2 is the LCM, and multiply this into this and this into this. So we write down x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus x minus 2 into x minus 1 equals to 3. So next, product of this one, x into x square, x into 2 plus 2x, 1 into x plus 1x, and plus 1 plus 2 becomes plus 2. Plus this plus. Now we have to find out product of these two factor. X into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x, minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x, and minus 1 minus 2 become plus 2. Divided by, we have to find out product of this expression, x into x square, x into 2 plus 2x, minus 1 into x minus 1x, and minus 1 into plus 2 becomes 2. Now equals to 3. So x square and x square become 2x square, 2x, 1x, 3x, and 1 minus 1x minus 2x, 3x. So here plus 3x and here minus 3x. So becomes 0, and 2 and 2 becomes what? 4. Clear? Divided by x square is there, and plus 2x minus 1x becomes 1x, and minus 2 equals to 3. So this will be multiplied with 3. So 2x square plus 4 equals to 3x square, 3x square, 3 into 1 plus 3x, and 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Now, so 3x square, when we take 2x square in this side, this one becomes 2x minus 2x square, and plus 3x is there. So plus 3x, there is no x term, then minus 6 plus 4 becomes minus 4 in this side. So now 3x square minus 2x square it becomes x square, and plus 3x minus 6 minus 4 becomes minus 10 equal to 0. Now, so x square, coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is minus 10. So become minus 10, and the coefficient of x, middle term is 3x and coefficient is plus 3. So you have to adjust plus 3. So 10 can be written as plus 2 into 5 into 2, 5 to the 10, and if I write 5 minus 2 we get 3. So now x square, 3x can be written as 5x minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. So if I take common from this two term we get x, and here x is remaining and 5 is remaining here, and this from these two term we get minus 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. So from these two term x plus 5 is common, and x minus 2 is remaining, x and minus 2, that's why I write minus 2 because 0. Now we have to find out the value of x. So x plus 5 equal to 0. This one equal to 0. We get x equals to minus 5 and x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So we get x equals to plus 2. So value of x is 1 minus 5 and 2. Let us discuss question number 10. So question number 10, first take LCM of both the denominator. So x minus 3 into x plus 5 and x plus 5 will be multiplied with that. We get x plus 5 and minus this one x minus 3 equals to 1 by 6. Now x plus 5 plus minus minus x minus minus plus 3 divided by x product. Find the product x into x square x into 5 plus 5x and minus 3 plus x minus 3x minus 3 plus 5 that is 15 equals to 1 by 6. X and x becomes 0 because this one plus x minus x 0 plus 5 and plus 3 becomes what? 8 divided by x square plus 5 minus 3x that is plus 2x and plus 15 there 1 by 6. Cross multiply. So 6 this one into 1 in same number because any number multiplied by 1 the number itself and 6 8 ja 48. So x square plus 2x plus 15 and whenever 48 come this side minus 48 equal to 0. So we get x square plus 2x plus 15 minus 48 that is what? Okay, this will be minus plus 6 minus 3 minus 15 minus 3 into plus 5 minus 15. So this is minus 15 and it becomes what? 63 equal to 0. So 63 coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is minus 63. The product is minus 63. So 9 7 ja minus 63. So we can write 9 plus 9 minus 7 we get plus 2. So x square we can write plus 9x minus 7x minus 63 equal to 0. So if I take common from there x plus 9 and from here minus 3 minus 7 x minus plus 9 equal to 0. So x equals to x. So here x plus 9 into x minus 7 equal to 0. So x plus 9 equal to 0. So x equals to what? Minus 9 and x minus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to what? 7. So value of x is minus 9 and minus 7. So in this class we discuss 10 questions and part 2 will come and the next video and the remaining sums will discuss in the next part. So thank you for watching and if there is any doubt please comment in the comment section. Thank you.